Pergola wood splitting at bolt holes from over-tightening hardware is a super common headache, but you can totally avoid wrecking your wood if you handle it right. So, when you're putting together your pergola, don't just crank those bolts down like you're trying to win a contest. Use a drill with a clutch setting or a torque wrench to keep the pressure just right. Too tight and the wood's gonna crack. Always pre-drill holes that are a little bigger than the bolt to give the wood some breathing room and reduce stress. Throw in some washers between the bolt head and the wood to spread out the squeeze and keep things chill. If the wood's dry or older, give it a quick soak or use a wood conditioner before drilling so it's less likely to snap. When you tighten, do it slowly and evenly on all bolts. Don't just hammer one side tight while leaving the others loose. Check your hardware size matches the wood thickness. Too big, and you're asking for trouble. Last tip. If you spot any cracks or splits starting, stop tightening immediately and fill those spots with wood filler or glue before continuing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola construction is just over-tightening bolts without thinking about the wood type or condition, which causes splits and weak spots. Fix that by always pre-drilling and using the right tools to control tightness. Another issue is skipping washers, which makes the bolt heads dig into the wood and split it. Always use washers to spread out the pressure. Finally, not checking if the bolts fit the wood thickness means you could be forcing oversized bolts into thin planks. Measure carefully and pick hardware that fits perfectly to avoid damage. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle woodwork like pergolas without messing things up. Plus, it's awesome for contractors looking to score jobs by connecting with people who need skilled help fast.